Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is another Dollar Tree haul. I'll take the glasses off in a second. All of my videos lately have been so out of focus because I haven't been wearing my glasses, so here they are. So today I wanted to share a Dollar Tree haul, and as usual, you know that if you hit that subscribe button, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
Please hit that notification bell and make sure that it's got a little parentheses around it, that it's getting a little hug so that you're notified of all my videos. I always get told that people get my haul notifications but not my crafts. So in the beginning of my haul videos, I am going to insert the crafts that I've done within that week period or 2-week period, just in case anybody has missed them. So if you have not gotten DIY notifications, this is the stuff that I created. Leave those links below and at the end of the video if you do want to watch, but let's go right ahead and get to the haul. I think I am in focus, so I'll go ahead and take these off so that the glare doesn't bother you guys. Let's go ahead and get started because I found some really cool things, and one of the coolest things that I found were these little Star Wars, kind of like a little sports bra. This is not obviously for an adult. This is teeny tiny for a kid. Still too big for Aria. This is a size 6. Actually, this might be for... No, this is definitely for a kid. So they have this really cute one. And then I was able to find... I don't know what else I was able to find. Oh, here it is. I was able to find little Paw Patrol shorts. How cute is this? So again, this is still too small. It's 2 pairs! I didn't even realize that. So it's 2 tiny little pairs of shorts. One of them has, I think that's Sky and Marshall on the other side. How adorable. Like I said, still too big for Aria. Hopefully when she fills these in, she still enjoys Paw Patrol. We'll see. But I thought these were really, really good finds. Next thing that was sort of like another novelty item, which I thought was really, really adorable, and this takes me back to my childhood, is the Garfield and Friends little notebooks. These are adorable. I absolutely love Garfield. Garfield is my sister's favorite character ever, so we always watch the cartoons together. They had this cute little notepad with his face on it, and then this one that says, "Do the right thing." And then this one looks like the actual comic strip, and it's got, oh, does it have Odie in here? It doesn't, but still really, really cute. So if you know somebody who loves Garfield, this is adorable. Look out for it in your stores. In the snacks aisle, I found these strawberry cream yan-yans and chocolate cream. These remind me of Dunkaroos and those other ones. I can't remember the name, but I love these things. I'm really, really sad that Dunkaroos don't exist. Although I do know that if you go to any like Asian shop, they do have the little koalas and stuff that are filled with cream. I love koala yummies too. Anything that you dunk stuff in or that's filled with all this goodness is delicious. So if you are into that, check these out. I know, like I said, you can get something that's like Dunkaroos and koala yummies at Target or at Asian markets, but now they're at Dollar Tree, so yay! I found a ton of shadow boxes, and these are really, really cute. They're in the shape of little houses, and you can change the paper on the inside, add whatever paper you want. Target had something like this last season, and it had little sayings in the middle, but now Dollar Tree has them for $1. The Target ones were $3, but they did have the little extra saying. Either way, you can put your own saying, your own thing, so that's pretty cool. In the school section slash kids section, I found stencil brushes. These come in so handy when you're using the stencils that they sell or the ones at Walmart, because you just kind of have to like blot it on. And these are otherwise a little bit on the pricey side, I guess, at Walmart. They've probably lowered their prices, but I did buy a brush that was like $5 and was awful. I also like to buy these brushes at Dollar Tree. This is in the hardware section, and these bring 8 and their various sizes, which is sometimes why you see me use really, really small ones and big projects because I run out so quickly. So these are awesome, and it has a nice little wood handle. These are great for stenciling. There are other stores that sell better ones because these have like a little stick in the middle, so it kind of prevents you from like going as deep as you want. But for $1, you can't beat it, and you have 8. The next novelty items that I absolutely fell in love with and I was so happy to see are the little Nickelodeon figurines. So I've got, I know I have, there you go. I have Ren and Stimpy, so cute, SpongeBob, and then I've got Hey Arnold. I know these have been around for a while, but I wasn't able to find them, and these are so cute, especially since 90s mystery boxes are a thing. People are paying a ton of money to receive stuff like this. I'm not saying go ahead and sell a 90s mystery box, but what I'm saying is it's kind of cool to be able to find stuff from your childhood at Dollar Tree. So this is really cool to put together along with the Garfield stuff. I know Garfield has been around forever, but it still kind of fits the theme. Keep that in mind for someone you know. And I was really, really happy to see that they kept the mom balloons on the shelves even after Mother's Day. Usually those things get pulled, but you can always keep this around for your mother's birthday or whatever the case may be. You don't have to use it specifically for Mother's Day. And I love the color. And if you turn it around, it says wow, so.
Wow. 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 Wow.
This was really awesome. They have yarn at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I should call this yarn or not, but it says fettuccine fibers. Okay. This just looks like a cut up t-shirt that has been wound up, but there's so many crafts that you can do with this. So I'm kind of excited that they have a ton. I did buy this pattern and also this one, and I think they look really, really good together. And a lot of Dollar Trees have been carrying this because I see it all over the YouTubes and the Instagram when people post their haul stuff. This is pretty cool. It is liquid skin, better than bandage. This is really nice to be able to kind of just cover up a little cut. A lot of people use this to cover up piercings. If you work somewhere where you can't have visible piercings, just dab a little bit of this on top and a little bit of your foundation once it dries and you're good to go. They also had the Curad alcohol prep pads. I haven't done a nail tutorial in this channel in a really, really long time, but before applying any fake nails, make sure that you prep your nails really well and wipe your nail bed down with alcohol. A lot of people complain that their nails just pop off, and that's why if you have really oily nails, they're not going to last very long. So always use alcohol prep pads. Really happy that Dollar Tree has them. And if you don't want to use a disposable pad every time, you can always go to the travel section and get these little spray bottles and put your alcohol in there and just go ahead and spray your nail bed with alcohol. It does the same thing. It's whatever you're comfortable with. But this is another item that I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's travel bottles and spray. I use this all the time when I'm traveling. If I have guests over, I just kind of leave it there. You know what I mean? Found fishnet decor at Dollar Tree. This has been around every single year in the luau section. I wish I would have known that when I had my baby shower because I spent a ton of money buying the Michaels one. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the Michaels one is a lot better quality, but if you're in a bind or if you're quickly decorating something, this is awesome. And it's such a light color that you can dye them. They also come in blue and green and a few other colors. It depends on what Dollar Tree you go to. But this is a really, really good buy, and it's nice and thin, so you can wrap this around whatever you want and it doesn't create a lot of bulk. This was cute and it made me smile. It's little coasters in the shape of chancletas, sandals, flip-flops, whatever you call them. After I created my little flip-flop hooks in my last tutorial, I saw flip-flops everywhere. I'm not saying it's because of my video, but now that I actually created something that was flip-flops, I was on the lookout for them. So this was so cute. If you're having a little Hawaiian themed party or just to have in your house, if that's your jam, this is adorable. And you don't have to use them as coasters. You can also use this as wall decor as well. Pop these in a really pretty frame and you've got yourself some luau decor. I found this breezy black jasmine lotus and it smells so amazing. I've been using a lot of the homemade dryer sheets, But a lady stopped me at Dollar Tree and she was like, hey, I'm really stuffy. Can you smell this for me? Does it smell good? And as soon as I put the box close to my face, it smelled so nice. And I really love that it says, with iron ease, reduces wrinkles. So that's pretty nice. My stuff always ends up wrinkled because I forget that I have clothes in the dryer. And there it is. When I come to it, it's wrinkled and yeah, there we go. So let me show you some of the stuff that I found in stores that I thought were amazing, but I didn't need. Dollar Tree is prepping for Father's Day, so they put these really cool bags out. Last year they had really nice boxes as well. Hopefully they bring them out this year. And these are some of the gift options. I really love that buffalo check frame. And these little cans are adorable. They're little piggy banks that look like beer cans, and more really cool bags. Now in the decor section they had really nice signs that are beach theme, of course. I think they are gorgeous. And now they have Huggies diapers in different sizes. That's pretty nice, but what I was most impressed by are the little swimmers. I bought some last year for Aria, but I was stuck with an entire pack even though I only needed 2. So it's great to see that you can get 2 and they come in various sizes. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you will be on the lookout for. I hate to be one of those creators that is begging for likes, but apparently that is what the YouTubes wants these days. It wants likes. So if you could do me a big favor and give these videos a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. And as usual, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you spending your afternoon with me, even if it is just for a short 10 minutes. And I will see you on the next one.